Welcome. If you've ever found yourself with a Gmail inbox full of starred emails you no longer need to highlight, today I'll guide you through a quick and easy way to remove them. This updated method works perfectly if you want to unstar multiple emails, and the most efficient way is by using Gmail on your web browser. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Gmail. Signing in here gives you the best overview, especially if you're dealing with a lot of emails at once. Once you're in Gmail, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click on it to open the sidebar. Next, scroll down the sidebar until you see the option labeled Starred. This is your dedicated folder for every email you've marked with a star. Click on Starred, and Gmail will display all the messages currently marked. Now, it's time to start unstarring. Browse through the list and find the email you no longer want highlighted. On each email, you'll notice a small star icon to the left of the sender's name or near the subject line. If the star is yellow, that means it's active. To remove it, simply click the star once. The yellow will disappear, instantly removing the email from your starred folder. Repeat this process for any other emails you don't want to keep starred. Each time you click a yellow star, Gmail updates the email status and removes it from the starred list. If you have a lot of emails to edit, you can work down the list quickly without leaving the starred folder. By the time you're done, your inbox will feel less cluttered and your starred section will hold only the messages that truly matter. And that's all it takes. Just a few clicks and you can clean up your starred emails in Gmail with ease. Keep this trick in mind whenever you want to tidy up and stay organized.